Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, introduce my name Gadis Permatadini from class 15205. My name 152304142. Here I will do an English project assignment, namely making a video presentation about discussing meeting material. Here I will discuss meeting material and inside the computer. Computer and inside the computer. What is a computer? First use of the word computer record in 1613. In someone who doing the calculation, the word was continued until the middle of the 20th century. Jadi, what is a computer itu adalah apa itu komputer? Jadi, komputer pertama kali diciptakan atau tercatat pada tahun 1613 dan berlanjut hingga pertengahan abad ke-20. Kalau inside a computer have four main component: arithmetic logic unit or ALU, those control memory, and input and output unit device, collectively called I or O. This part of are interconnect by buses often create in the group cable. Jadi, di dalam komputer ada 4 komponen utama, yaitu ALU, perangkat unit kontrol, memori, input, dan output. What is the computer? A computer is a multi-purpose device that manipulates information or data. For use program to perform set arithmetic or logical operation, because a series of operation can easy to change because computer can achieve much more than that. We can also say that electronic device that store, retrieve, and process data and can be done by programming with instruction. A computer consists of hardware and software and various size and specific configuration. Jadi komputer adalah perangkat serbaguna yang memanipulasi informasi atau data untuk digunakan secara terprogram untuk melakukan operasi aritmatika atau logika tertentu. Selanjutnya ada tipe-tipe komputer. Ada 3, yaitu mini komputer in mainframe. Yang kedua, personal computer. And 3, supercomputer. And the first, mini and mainframe computer, very powerful, used by large organizations like banks and such to control entire business operation, very expensive. Jadi, sangat kuat digunakan oleh seluruh operasi bisnis seperti bank dan sejenisnya. Yang kedua, personal computer, cheap and easy to use, often used as stand-alone computer or on a network. This type of computer consists of a CPU, memory, input unit, and output unit. Can be connected to large mainframe computers in large components. Katanya mudah digunakan. Komputer jenis ini terdiri dari CPU, memori, input, dan output. Tipe yang terakhir, the last one, supercomputer. Supercomputer are the large and fastest computers capable of processing trillions of functions in second. These computers are used for data intensive and computing intensive scientific tasks such as password encryption and description, weather forecasting, solar system exploration, molecular modeling, and edge. Jadi yang terakhir ini superkomputer, komputer terbesar dan tercepat yang bisa memproses triliunan fungsi dalam hitungan detik. Biasanya komputer seperti ini digunakan untuk tugas-tugas ilmiah seperti encryption, deskripsi, kata sandi, perkiraan cuaca, dan lain-lain. Selanjutnya, saya akan membahas tentang di dalam komputer. Ada arithmetic logic unit atau ALU. ALU has two operating class, namely arithmetic and logic. Ada control unit, memory, input or output. Control unit. In the first control unit often called control system or central controller. One part of the CPU whose job is to manage the computer, various components consisting of reading and interpreting program instruction, providing direction or control over the operation carried out in the ALU section of the CPU. The output from this CPU will regulate the activities of other parts of the CPU device. Jadi maksudnya bagian dari CPU yang bertugas mengatur berbagai komputer seperti membaca dan menafsirkan instruksi program. Yang kedua, memory. Computer memory, a small storage device that holds memory for a computer and can be accessed through software, can be viewed as a list of the cell it contain, numbers can be placed or read. Jadi memori ini penyimpanan kecil yang menampung memori komputer dan dapat diakses melalui perangkat lunak. Memori juga dibagi menjadi dua, ada RAM dan ROM. Selanjutnya ada input atau output. Input and output are the means of computer exchange information with the outside world. That device providing input or output to a computer is called peripheral. Peripheral include input device such as keyboard and mouse, and output device such as display and printers. Hard disk device, flopping disk drive, and optical disk drive function as input and output device. Jadi input dan output adalah sarana pertukaran informasi komputer yang menyedunia luar. Kenapa disebut dengan peripheral? Karena perangkat yang menyediakan input atau output ke komputer. Peripheral juga merupakan perangkat masukan seperti keyboard dan mouse, dan perangkat keluaran seperti layar dan printer. Selanjutnya saya akan membahas hardware components. One, input device. Input device is any peripheral piece of computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signal to an information processing system such as a computer or other information appliance. Jadi perangkat yang digunakan untuk menyediakan data dan sinyal kontrol ke sistem pemrosesan informasi. Yang kedua, output device. The output device is any computer hardware equipment used to communicate data results carried out by information processing system, like a computer, that converts electronical product information into a form that human can read easily. Maksudnya perangkat keras komputer yang digunakan untuk mengomunikasikan hasil data yang dilakukan oleh sistem pengolahan informasi seperti komputer dan gampang dibaca oleh manusia. Macam-macam input device. Ada the mouse, the keyboard, tracker balls, scanner, touchpad, light pens, and joystick. Kalau output device ada monitor or LCD, printers, plotters, speakers, speech synthesizers. Kalau storage device ada hard disk drive. Yang kedua ada flash disk. Jadi storage device ini ada dua, ada hard disk and flash disk. How can memory is measured? Ada bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, microprocessors, the CPU, Central Processing Unit. That's enough of my presentation explain the project. It's not enough. I am sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.